Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing, charge to at least 20%, and clear about 500 MB so the app won't crash. Once done, clean the lens with a soft cloth. Make sure no case blocks the view. Open the camera app and select photo mode, then enable the 3x3 grid to use the rule of thirds. Tap the main subject to focus and hold to lock focus/exposure if needed. This gets you straight into capture with reliable framing and sharpness. Now you manage the middle controls: focus, exposure, and mode. Tap to focus and slide the exposure slider to brighten or darken by roughly plus or minus 1 stop. This balances highlights versus shadows. Turn on HDR in high contrast scenes, or pick portrait for depth and night for low light. If you need precision, switch to Pro or Manual. Reduce ISO to avoid noise, lengthen shutter for motion, and set white balance to keep colors accurate. Finish by reviewing and editing your shots. Crop, straighten, and apply subtle edits to exposure and color, then save non-destructively if the app supports it. Export at full resolution when sharing, and back up to cloud or a local drive to avoid loss. If something goes wrong, images are blurry or the camera app crashes, clean the lens, force quit and reopen the app, or restart the phone. If problems persist, update the OS or clear the app cache to restore reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.